Welcome to the 7th episode in the series, Building a 4-Bedroom Bungalow in Nigeria, Cost Estimate. Before I get started, the first thing I'd like to say is that there is no profit included in any of the prices featured in the videos on this channel. This channel is meant to serve as an information resource, a place you can visit to find out the various prices of things in construction, be it labor, materials, and so on and so forth. Now in this video, I'll be talking about the cost of the lintels for this building. All the lintels that run across the tops of the windows and doors and all the other openings, the beams for the entrances and so on and so forth. Okay, the first item is going to be our wooden formwork. By my calculation, we'll need 58 pieces of 12-inch by 12-foot wood for our wooden formwork. One piece of wood will cost 1,200 naira. So 58 pieces of wood comes to 69,600 naira. We'll need to pay a carpenter 25,000 for labor. So the total cost of the wooden formwork comes to 94,600 naira. And this is approximately $256 or 218 pounds. The next item is 12 mm rods for the reinforcements that would be inside of the lintel. The total length of our lintels is 76.5 meters. The length of 12 mm rods in our lintels is 76.5 times 4 because you have 4 lintels on each of the corners, 4 12 mm rods at each of the corners of every lintel. So length of 12 mm rods in all the lintels together will come to 306 meters. The length of one full rod, is 11.5 meters. The total number of rods in all the lintels is 27. We'll need 27 rods. The cost of one 12 mm rod is 2,050 naira. Therefore, the cost of all the 12 mm rods we need in the lintels is 55,350 naira, and this is approximately $150 or 128 pounds. The next item is the 10 mm rods we'll need for stirrups that will run along the lintels. The total length of our lintels, like I said before, is 76.5 meters. The total number of stirrups we'll need is 340. The length of one stirrup is 1.15 meters. The length of one full rod is 11.5 meters. The total number of rods in one stirrup is 0.1 rods. The cost of one 10 mm rod is 1,520 naira. The cost of 10 mm rods in one stirrup equals 152 naira. Each stirrup costs 152 naira. So the total cost of stirrups in all our lintels combined is 51,680 naira, and this is approximately $140 or 119 pounds. Now the total cost of our reinforcements, before I get to that, we'll need to pay a steel bender 15,000 naira for labor so he can bend the steel for all the reinforcements in our lintels. The total steel cost equals the cost of 12 rods plus the cost of 10 rods, and that's 55,350 naira plus 51,680 naira, and this gives us 107,030 naira for all the steel we'll need for our lintels. And our total reinforcement cost will be the steel cost plus the labor cost, which is 107,030 naira plus 15,000 naira, and this comes to 122,030 naira, which is approximately $330 or 281 pounds. And our next item is concrete. After building the wooden formwork, placing the steel reinforcements inside of the formwork, we'll need to pour concrete into the wooden frame so that we can have our lintels. Now, our total concrete volume, including waste and shrinkage, is 4.2 cubic meters. 1 cubic meter of concrete is equal to 22,450 naira. 1 cubic meter of concrete costs 22,450 naira. So our total concrete cost is 94,290 naira. And this is $255 or 217 pounds. So the total cost will, for our lintels, all the money you'll need to build the lintels, to get that, we'll have to add the cost of the wooden formwork to the cost of reinforcement to the cost of concrete. And this is 94,600 naira plus 107,030 naira plus 94,290 naira, and this gives us a total for all our lintels of 295,920 naira, which is approximately $799 or 681 pounds. And that's it for the cost of lintels. In the next video, I'll be talking about the cost of our remaining block work, which is from the top of the lintels to the level of the roof. So as always, if this is useful to you, please like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. And I'll see you in the next episode.